In the previous videos, we have seen how to save orders and process orders on tables that are already designed like this. In Aronium POS system, you can redesign the table structure, table size and shape, floor plan and its content according to your restaurant's actual layout. Currently, you can see there are 2 floors. To redesign them, open the sidebar and you'll find floor plan and table settings. In the table design area, you can move tables, reposition them and place them anywhere you want, because every restaurant has a different table layout compared to the default one. You can also modify or redesign it anytime in the future. Now, what if you want to remove a table? To do that, just click on the table you want to remove, then click Remove Selected Table and it will be removed instantly. Let's see again. Let's remove table 13 this time. Click on the table, then click Remove Selected Table and it's gone. Alright, now if you want to add a table, select the floor and click on Add Table. You'll see a new rectangular table pop up with no name. You can drag it and place it anywhere you want according to your floor plan or restaurant layout. Since it doesn't have a name yet, let's give it one. Say, Table 41. The interesting part is that you can also change the table's width and height to match your real table size. Let's change the height to 110 and the width to 160. You can also adjust it using the arrows and even change the shape from rectangular to oval or back again. It's that flexible. Now, as most restaurants or cafes have different seating areas, this one is the main floor, but you may also have another area, like floor 1. If you have tables on the first floor, you can also redesign that floor's tables exactly the same way. Arranging, naming, resizing, and changing shapes as needed. You can add as many tables as you want to each floor plan, assign unique names to each, and reposition them however you like. Alright, now what if you want to add another floor plan? Maybe your restaurant has another section entirely. For that, just click on Add New Floor Plan and you'll get a brand new empty layout. Let's name this one Second Floor. You can now start by adding tables. Let's say 3 of them. Reposition them and give each one a name. Let's name the first one Table C. Drag and drop it anywhere you want. Rename the second one Table B. And the third one Table A, as you might have guessed. You can freely adjust their width, height and shape and reposition them however you like. Now you can see how we've created a floor plan for 3 tables like this one right here. So at this point we have 3 different floor plans, each with its own unique table arrangement and design. After reviewing and confirming everything, click Save. Finally, this setup will be your table design configuration. The layout will be applied to each floor and you'll be able to see the table structure for every floor displayed right here. And that's it. That's how you can redesign your tables and floor plans in the Aronium POS system. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this.